So guys, for the first method, you want to right click on your desktop and then click on view, and then make sure that you have show desktop icons ticked. Make sure you have this box ticked, so click on it. It should then be showing your desktop icons. For the second method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete both those scans, just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.